So the other day my friend told me I should post videos instead of pictures of my food. So here we go. Today we're going to make a meat salad. There's your meat cut up ready to go. Right here you have your basic salad. There's tomato, cucumbers, carrots, broccoli, lettuce, and cheese. I like to cut up my cheese and then cut them in long sticks, then in halves. Okay, so you got your meat right here cooking. Over here you got your seasonings. You're going to put some pepper, garlic, lemon, salt. Okay, you can add whatever you like. These are the ones I prefer. Might look like a lot, but when you mix it, it's not. Let's stir it up a little bit. Okay, so you're mixing it up. Keep on mixing it. Whoa, whoa, whoa. See, so then everything's gone. Just let it sit there for a while. Simmer it, cook it up. On about a low flame, medium high maybe. Just let it cook, just wait.
Alright.
So you start moving your meat around. You have it to a little heat. So you move this sucker around. Make sure that it's cooking good. You're gonna want it brown, okay? It's gonna be brownish. See the red's going away, so once it gets brown right here, you're gonna be good to go. It's almost there. Take about maybe 5 more minutes, 10 tops. So now our meat is done, as you can see. You gotta move up. You gotta go back to the salad.
So now we're gonna add the salad and the meat together. You first gonna add the lettuce.
You know how you do it. You just need to make your salad. Make everyday salad. So you have your salad mixed, you're going to mix your meat. And that's it. There you have it. Very simple. Easy to make, takes about maybe 10-15 minutes. You could use Italian dressing. Croutons is what we like. Well, see you later.
Bye. Hope you have a great meal.